Hi, I'm Judy and I'm 60 years old. 2 years ago, my husband and I started going through some business and financial stress. Well, my weight shot up and I started really looking my age, and I just felt horrible and depressed. I felt fat and I felt old. Well, during that time, a friend invited me to try a new skincare line called emmiSKIN. From the first night I used the overnight facelift collection, my face began to change and I started to feel better about myself. Even my attitude about our situation began to change, and soon after that I got on the ball and I started losing weight. The stresses didn't go away, but the way I was facing them changed. I was taking care of myself again, and today, 2 years later, I'm down 50 pounds and my skin is better than it was in my 40s. And although we're not over the stress just yet, I feel great. And the best compliment I've gotten so far is when people think that my 13-year-old grandson is my own son. Well, emmiSKIN helped save my self-esteem. And now I want to fight age and stay looking younger too. Now is your time. Enlist in the Emmi Army. Forward march and no looking back.